Which bench drilling machine is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Miss Sweetie Multifunction Work Table. First up is the MYSWETY Multifunction Work Table Milling Machine, priced at $95.99. What really caught my attention was its adaptability. This is a mini multifunctional working table that fits perfectly with mini drills and other suitable machines. If you want accuracy in your drilling projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable dovetail slot design allows you to fit your drill with precision, ensuring minimal space usage while maximizing accuracy. It accommodates X direction adjustments of 180 millimeters and Y direction of 50 millimeters, which means you can easily align your work without fuss. With a solid 4.1 star rating from 1,000 reviewers, this work table has made a positive mark in the DIY community. Now, some people complained about the limited adjustment range for larger projects. Here's the thing though, if you're working on mini projects or need precision for small materials, this isn't really a deal breaker. Just keep in mind its limitations for larger tasks. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist looking for precision in small-scale projects. But skip this one if you're aiming for larger drilling tasks. It's a solid value for money for its price point. Now, if the Miss Sweetie's limited size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, WN 8-inch 5-speed drill press. Next is the WN 2.3 amp 8-inch 5-speed drill press, retailing at $104. I was genuinely surprised by the power of this compact machine. Its 2.3 A induction motor makes it a strong contender for both metal and wood projects. If you want versatility and reliability, this is worth a serious look. The drill press features 5 speed settings ranging from 750 to 3,200 revolutions per minute, allowing you to tackle a variety of materials effortlessly. The 1/2 inch keyed chuck provides secure bit retention, ensuring your drills are stable during operation, perfect for achieving those clean, precise holes. Plus, the work table can tilt up to 45 degrees, giving you flexibility when working on angled projects. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 781 reviews, it's clearly making waves among users. However, some users mentioned that it could be a bit noisy during high-speed operations. But honestly, every drill press has some noise, and this one performs so well that I'd say it's a minor issue compared to the benefits it offers. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable drill for various DIY projects. But skip this one if noise is a major concern for you. For the performance it delivers, the value is hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for compact needs. Product number 3, Precision Mini Drill Press. Now let's talk about the Precision Mini Drill Press from Novel Life, priced at $79.99. This one really caught my eye with its compact design and impressive features. If you want strong performance in a mini package, this is worth a serious look. This drill press is built with a solid metal structure and features a maximum speed of 7,000 revolutions per minute, allowing for precise drilling in materials like wood and plastic. It's designed to minimize vibration, ensuring accuracy during your DIY projects. The 40 millimeters maximum drilling stroke means you can handle a variety of tasks efficiently. Plus, it even comes with a mini flat table vise and drill bits, making it a complete package for hobbyists. With a 4.6 star rating from 281 reviews, users are raving about its performance. One drawback is that some users found the assembly instructions a bit unclear. But here's the thing. Once you get it set up, the ease of use and performance far outweigh the initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a compact solution with solid performance. But skip this if you prefer larger equipment for bigger projects. Honestly, for its price, it's a steal. Now, if the mini size is what you need, the next product offers more traditional drilling power. Product number 4, Vever Benchtop Drill Press. Next, we have the Vever 8 in benchtop drill press at $101.90. What really surprised me was the combination of power and precision it offers. If you want a reliable workhorse for various materials, this is worth a serious look. Powered by a 2.5A induction motor, it delivers consistent performance even during heavy use. The variable speed control lets you pick from 5 settings ranging from 750 to 3,200 revolutions per minute, adapting easily to different drilling tasks. The integrated LED work light is a game changer, illuminating your workspace for better accuracy, especially in low light conditions. With a commendable 4.5-star rating from 148 reviews, it's a solid choice for both beginners and experienced users. That said, a few users noted that the setup process could be slightly complicated. Honestly, though, once you get through it, the functionality and features make it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile drill press that can handle various materials and lighting conditions. However, skip this one if you're not comfortable with some initial assembly. For the price and features, it offers excellent value. Now, if you want something even more compact, the final product on our list might be just what you need. Product number 5, Basheen Mini Drill Press. Finally, we have the Basheen Bench Drill Stand, priced at $89.99. I'll be real with you. This one stands out for its portability and compact design. If you want something easy to use for everyday projects, this is definitely worth a serious look. This 710W electric drill press boasts a 6-speed, adjustable range from 0 to 2,800 revolutions per minute, making it suitable for a variety of materials. The 1.5 to 13 millimeters chuck capacity means you can use a wide range of drill bits, which is great for flexibility. Its heavy-duty metal base ensures stability during operation, so you get accurate results every time. With a 4.2-star rating from 321 reviews, it's a trusted option among DIYers. However, some users found the motor to be a bit underpowered for tougher materials. Here's the thing. For light to medium projects, it performs excellently. But if you're drilling into tougher materials consistently, you might want to consider a more powerful model. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a compact, easy-to-use drill for everyday tasks. But skip this one if your projects frequently involve heavy-duty materials. For its price, it offers good value for casual users. So there you have it. We looked at the MYSWETY multifunction work table for precision, the powerful WN drill press, the compact precision mini drill press, the versatile Vever model, and the portable Basheen. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but it all comes down to what fits your specific needs. Happy drilling!